Hi all. Last video we discussed about table form puzzle questions. In this video now we can discuss about circular form puzzle questions. First question: J, K, L, M, N, O, P and R are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Each of them was born in a different year: 1971, 1975, 1979, 1980, 1981, 1984, 1985 and 1990. M is sitting second to the right of K. L is sitting third to the right of J. L and J were born before 1980. Only the one born in 1984 is sitting exactly between J and K. N, who is the eldest, is not an immediate neighbor of J or M. J is younger than L. K was born before O. R is older than only M and second to the left of P, who is not an immediate neighbor of N. Okay, these are the conditions. So in this question we have to arrange these people around a circular table. Already we discussed circular form arrangement in sitting arrangement question. This question also same as that of that sitting arrangement question. In this question, one specialty, here they are given the person's name and their year also. They born on different year. That also given. So we have to arrange two things in the same diagram. So let's check it how we can do this question. Here, first we have to draw a circle. In all circular wise arrangement question, first we have to draw a circle. And 8 persons are there, so almost equal distance we can mark 8 places. Okay, and here in this question it is clearly mentioned they are sitting around a circular table facing towards center. So no need to draw more than one diagram, only one diagram is needed. In this single diagram we can arrange all the people. Some question they will give, some are facing inside, some are facing outside. That type question sometimes we have to make two diagram parallel. Here no need of that one. In this single diagram we can arrange this. Here it is given first condition, M is sitting second to the right of K. So any one place we can put K. Now we can put K here. K is here facing center. Then M is sitting second to the right of K. So first right, second right is M. Okay, so we got the place of K and M. Then we have to check any other conditions related to these two people, K and M. Then second condition is given, L is sitting third to the right of J. Then L and J were born before 1980. Only the one born in 84 is sitting exactly between J and K. Second and third condition not related with these people, but next condition, the one who born in 1984 is sitting exactly between J and K. So already we got K. Then 84, the one who born on 84 is exactly between J and K. So already we got K. Now we can put J here and we can mark down 1984 is here. The one who born on 84 is exactly between J and K. Then next condition, N, who is the eldest, is not an immediate neighbor of J or M. So N is the eldest and it is not the neighbor of J or M. So N cannot be these two places and it cannot be these two places. So only one place is remaining, that is for N. And one more thing is given, N, who is the eldest. Here they are given the year the people born. The year the people born is given and it is given eldest. So that person should be born on which year? The eldest person should born first. So here first year is given 19 71. So N is eldest, means N born on 1971. Then next it is given J is younger than L. We don't know J and L were born which year, but one thing is given earlier, L and J were born before 1980. So before 1980 the years given here is 71, 75 and 79. Already 71 is given for N. So it is 75 and 79 is remaining. So it is given, here it is given J is younger than L. J is younger than L means J is 79 and L is 75. But we have to find out the place of L also. Then we skip our second condition. It was given L is sitting third to the right of J. Already we got the place of J. L is sitting third to the right of J. So J is facing center, right is this side, 1, 2, 3. So L become here. Already we got the year, 1975 is for L and 1979 for J. Then next condition, K was born before O. We don't know K and O born on which year. Then it is given R is older than only M. It is very important condition. It is given R is older than only M. R is older than only M and second to the left of P, and will represent the first person in the previous sentence. So R is second to the left of P. Then one more thing is given, who is not an immediate neighbor of N. Who means it will represent the nearest person P. So P is not an immediate neighbor of N. So P cannot be in these two places. So P will be definitely here. There is no other place vacant. And it is given R is older than M and second to the left of P. So R is second to the left of P. P is here, second left is R. So remaining place is for remaining person O. Now we have to find out the year for these 4 people. Then one condition was there. It is given R is older than only M. R is older than only M means R is the only person older to M. So R is older than only M. That is M is the youngest person. Otherwise, if M is not the youngest person, then there will be more than one person is below R. It is given R is older than only M. So M is 1990 and R is 1985. So R is 1985 and M is 1990. So remaining 2 years are there, 80 and 81. One condition is there, K was born before O. K before O. So K is 1980 and O is 1981. This is the arrangement. Okay. So we can go for our questions. First question is given, who born on 1984? Who born on 1984? Clearly we can say that who born on 1984? P born on 1984. So first question answer is P. Second question, K was born on which year? K was born on 1980. Then third question, who is sitting third to the right of the one who born on 85? So some people will do that. They will draw these things separately. That is, they will draw these persons in this circular form and they will make a separate table for person and year. And they will write the person's name PQ or NM here. Then they will write on the years here. At that time, these type question will be very difficult to answer. Otherwise, if you are writing, no need to write down this table. If you are writing that full thing in the same diagram, we can easily answer that question. It is given who is sitting third to the right of the one who born on 85. 85, already we know that it is R. Who is sitting third to the right of that person? So first, second, third. Third person to the right of the one who born on 85 is K. Then next question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on the given arrangement and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? Here options are given. K 1984. K 1984. Then T 1985. Sorry, J 1985. J 1985. O 1990. O 1990. L 1980. L 1980. M 1981. M 1981. Here some people will thought that this question they are asking about correct combination. But they are not asking correct combination. Here no option they are given the correct year of that person. It is based on that arrangement we have to find out which one is the odd one out of this option. So here first option K84. K left side is 84. J85. J's left side is 85. O90. O90 also left side. L80. It is also left side. Then M81. M81 is right side. Or it is given all other option persons left side ear, or it is given person ear is clockwise direction. But last option M81 is given anti-clockwise direction. So M81 is the correct answer. So option E is the answer. Okay. If they are asking correct combination, then it will be like this way. Question will be like this format. Which of the following combination are correct? Or which of the following combination is true regarding the arrangement? So they will give these type of option. K84. K is not 84. O 84. O is not 84. O 1981. O 1981 is correct combination. L 79 is not correct. R 90 also not correct. So O 81 is the correct answer. So answer is option C. Okay. Once we got this arrangement, we can easily answer that question. And we should be, if we are answering that question, we should be very careful about clockwise or anti-clockwise, or they are facing towards which side. That is the important thing here. Okay. So we can do one more question regarding the same type, that is circular wise form. Next question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 8 friends sitting around a circular table. 6 of them facing towards center. All of them like mobile phones of a different brand: Sony, Nokia, Samsung, LG, Micromax, Carbon, Apple and Motorola. G is third to the right of A and like Sony. D is third to the left of A. D and G are neighbors of B who likes Micromax. The one who likes LG sits on the immediate right of B. H is third to the right of E and likes Apple. E and H are not the neighbors of the person who likes Carbon. F does not like Samsung or LG. The person who likes Motorola is sitting opposite to E. C is an immediate neighbor of D. The person who is opposite to B is facing outward. And B is the immediate neighbor of the person who likes LG. These are the conditions. Then we have to arrange these people. Here it is given, in this question it is given, there are 8 friends and they like different phones also. The persons are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. And they like different phones: Sony, Nokia, Samsung, LG, Micromax, Carbon, Apple and Motorola. and it is given they are sitting around a circular table, but in this question 6 of them are facing towards center. 6 of them are facing towards center means total 8 persons are there, 2 are facing outside. But it is not given which are the 2 persons facing outside. That we have to find out from these conditions. Okay, so let's check it. First, for doing this one, first we have to draw the circle. And 8 persons, so we have to mark 8 places. Okay, so here first condition is given G is third to the right of A and like so on. But we don't know A is facing towards center or outside. Either we can start with this first condition. At that time we have to make two diagrams. One diagram A is facing center, other diagram A is facing outside. Or we can check any clear condition is given about one person's direction. If it is given, it is better we can start with that condition. Here in this question, next it is given D and G are neighbors of B. The one who likes LG sits on the immediate right of B. H is third to the right of E and likes apple. A and H are not the neighbors of the person who likes carbon. F does not like Samsung or LG. The person who likes Motorola is sitting opposite to E. C is an immediate neighbor of D. The person who is opposite to B is facing outward. It is given there. The person who is sitting opposite to B is facing outward. It is clearly mentioned, but they are not given the name of the person, but the person sitting opposite to B is facing outside. So we can start with that condition. So if we put B here, that person opposite to B is outward. It is clearly mentioned there, but we don't know which person is outside, and we don't know about the direction of B also. That also we have to find out from the given conditions. Then we have to check any condition related to B is given or not. One condition is there, D and G are immediate neighbors of B. So D and G are neighbors means we can write down D or G is immediate neighbors. It is not sure about that thing. Then next condition given related to, and one more thing is given, B who likes Micromax. B's phone is clearly given Micromax. And condition related to D and G is given, G is third to the right of A and likes Sony. D is third to the left of A. These two persons, one is third left of A and one person is third right of A. So G is third to the right of A. One person is third left and one person is third right means definitely A should be here. There is no other possibility for A. Then G is third right of A means this is definitely G and like Sony. And this is D. And next condition is given, the one who likes LG sits on the immediate right of B. So B facing center, immediate right LG is not possible. So B also facing outside, immediate right is LG means D is LG. So now we got two people facing outside. So rest of the people definitely facing inside. Okay. Next condition is given, H is third to the right of E and likes apple. H is third to the right of E and likes apple. Then and likes apple means H likes apple. H is third right of E means if we put E here 1, 2, 3, third right is not possible. If you put E here 1, 2, 3, it is also not possible. Then if you put E here 1, 2, 3, H can be there. If you put E here 1, 2, 3, H can be here also. Then H is sitting third to the right of E and likes apple. Two possibilities are there. Then one more thing is given, A and H are not the neighbors of the person who likes carbon. A and H are not the neighbors of the person who likes carbon. So one more thing, the person who likes Motorola is sitting opposite to E. So if we put E here, the person opposite to E is D, that is LG. So Motorola cannot be sitting opposite to E. So E here, H here, that possibility we can rule out. So E here, H is here, H likes Apple. First, second, third, right is Apple. Then it is given the person who likes Motorola sitting opposite to E. Then next condition is given, A and H are not the neighbors of the person who likes carbon. So carbon cannot be here, here, here and here. So carbon can be only this place. Then next condition, C is an immediate neighbor of D. C is an immediate neighbor of D means here C. Then the person who is opposite to B is facing outward, that already we applied, and B is the immediate neighbor of the person who likes LG, that is also already applied. Then we skip one condition, F does not like Samsung or LG. F is not Samsung or LG, only one place is remaining, that is for F. F is not Samsung or LG, LG is already here. F is not Samsung means this person, remaining person is A, that is Samsung. So remaining phone Nokia will be for F. So this will be the arrangement. Okay. So we can check the question. Who is sitting opposite to E? Who is sitting opposite to E? E opposite is C carbon. C carbon is opposite to E. Then next question, who likes Samsung? Who likes Samsung? A likes Samsung. Then third question, who is sitting third to the right of the person likes Nokia? Nokia is F. Who is sitting third to the right of the person who likes Nokia? 1, 2, 3. C is third right of that person. Then how many people sitting between B and C when counted from left side of B? B facing outside, left side of B is this side. Then how many people between B and C? C is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people between B and C. Then which of the following combination is odd one from the given group? That is odd one out we have to find out. B, LG. B is here, LG. And in this type question, it is facing inside and outside. We have to check the direction they are facing also. So it is facing outside, so this is right side. B, LG. LG is the right of B. D, Micromax. D's right side is Micromax. A, Nokia. A facing outside, A's right side is Nokia. E, Sony. E facing inside, Sony is left side. C, LG. C facing inside, LG is right side. So E, Sony only they are given the left side. So answer is E, Sony, or option D is the answer. Okay. So today we discuss circular form arrangement. Last class we discussed table form arrangement. Then row wise arrangement or parallel line arrangement is, or floor wise arrangement is remaining. So next video we can discuss that types also. Thank you.